Hello, folks. Richard Fontaine here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now, this is an exceptional offer, folks. So I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
How would you like to have access to a state-of-the-art platform that creates automated high-converting websites in just 30 seconds that you can sell for top dollar in the hottest niches? Imagine if in minutes from now you could get sophisticated yet incredibly easy AI-powered website creator, fully hosted, SEO optimized and mobile responsive, 100 plus DFY stunning templates to create high converting websites within seconds, unlimited hosting of sites and domains at the tiniest one-time cost, complete data protection with free end-to-end SSL encryption, one-click creation and hosting of websites. Increase your income in a big way by strengthening your online business portfolio. Sell the most in-demand digital service to become a force to be reckoned with, unlimited bandwidth at no extra or monthly cost, and 100% uptime. All this and more for a one-time low fee. Welcome to Web Creator 2.0. And as the name itself suggests, you pay only and enjoy all the benefits of this breakthrough software forever. Say goodbye to heavy monthly fees, expensive tools and experts, exorbitant hosting costs, unhappy customers, work overload, security breaches and threats, unending wait time, debts, unnecessary hassles. Web Creator 2.0 is the ultimate AI website solution that'll help you skyrocket profits at the lowest one-time cost. In just 3 easy steps, you'll start saving and making huge amount of profits. Step 1. Grab Web Creator 2.0 at an unbeatable cost today and simply log in from any browser. Step 2. Fill in some quick details like business name, color scheme, and contact details. Step 3. Voila! Your website is ready to be published and sold on top platforms instantly and effortlessly. Here's what all you can use Web Creator 2.0 for. Create unlimited websites by niches using our built-in templates or from scratch in a few clicks. Set up your website in under 30 seconds. Access extremely reliable lifetime hosting at no additional cost. Choose from 100 plus DFY stunning design templates and countless themes. All websites are optimized to rank high across search engines. Pull in endless smartphone traffic with fully mobile responsive websites. Create your own domain or host on Web Creator 2.0 subdomain. Your websites are 100% protected and secure. You can add pop-ups to prompt your visitors to instant action. Measure your ROI and other visitor statistics using Google Analytics integration from within your dashboard. Embed forms, scripts, videos, and lots more without being a tech genius. 24/7 support and training included to help you ace the tool from day one. Sell these money magnets on popular platforms instantly for big commissions. And a lot more. Web Creator 2.0 is perfect for you if you own a business, service, or are a marketer. You want to survive in this new age digital world. You'd like to build local business or personal websites with a click of a few buttons. You'd like to set up websites in record time and begin attracting a huge amount of visitors. You don't want to ever pay a penny for hosting your websites until the end of time. You'd like to sit back and relax because your data and site is absolutely secure. You'd like to give up the stress of handling web designers or paying ineffective and complicated designing platforms. You'd like to dominate trending niches without any prior experience. You'd like to witness higher conversion rates, sales, and profits. You'd like to create your digital identity and add everlasting credibility to your brand. It's a true win-win, but only available until the timer on this page hits 0. So hurry, take action now. Click the buy button below and claim your exclusive one-time fee access to what's fast becoming the most preferred website builder for business owners and marketers around the world. Welcome to Web Creator 2.0.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching. And don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.